Hi, welcome to ed360. In this video, we will learn how to add courses. So in order to add courses, you need to click on add new course in your dashboard. Once you click, you reach this page. In this page, you need to add course info. Firstly, here is the course title. So firstly, we add the course title. So my course title is Mathematics Class 12th. Now here you can add course description. So if you want to add course description, you can add. If you want to skip it, you can. For this lecture, I will skip the course description. So now here are the course settings. So if you want to enroll a fixed number of students, then you can mention here. Suppose I want to need only 10 people, 10 students in my batch, then I will add 10 here. Then you can set the difficulty level of your course. So for this I will choose beginner. Then if you have categories, then you can select them from here by typing them. If you don't have, then there is no need, you can skip it. Then here is the course price. So if you want to add your course for free, then choose this option, and if you want to add it for some price point, then add the price here. So for this video I need the price to be 7,000, so I will add that. Then here is the course thumbnail. So for adding the course thumbnail, I need to upload an image. So I click on upload image, and here I have an image in the library already. So I will select this and then click on use this media. So this is a thumbnail image which will be shown on all courses page. Okay, now this is the course intro video. So if you want to add an intro video which the student can see before enrolling in the course, then you can add. If you want to skip it, you can skip. If you don't add the video, then it will show an image which is course thumbnail. If you add the video, it will show video instead of image. Now this is the course builder, which is the main part of this video, like how to build the complete course. So it will build in the course builder. We will skip it for now and we will come to it just after completing these other steps. Here are instructors, here is your name, and then if you want to add more instructor in the same course, then you can add from here. Then here are some additional data which you can fill or you can skip, like the course duration, like how much time a person need to complete this course. So if you want to add like 15 hours or 20 hours or 150 hours, like how much time will it take to complete this course, then you can add it here. Here are benefits of the course. So if you want to add, you can add all these. You can read these messages which are prompted and you can understand what to add here. Now here are the requirements and instruction. These all things, like material included and all, will these additional information about the course will be appear on the landing page where person will buy the course. So if you add these things, it will give a brief overview that what the course includes in it. Okay, so if you want to add these things, then you can add them. Then this is the announcement tab, which is very useful if you want to have some announcement for your students. Like we build one announcement which is like the students will have the test from 25th of 25th June 2018. So this is the title of the announcement, and here I will add that all students should prepare for their test, like unit test 4 and learn all lectures. So this is just a demo description or the announcement that I add here. You can add whatever you want to. If you want to add some link, then you can add here. If you want to bold or italic or do something with it, then you can all able to do. Now click on add announcement to add this announcement to your course. So once you click on this, the page will be refreshed, and if you see here at the bottom, then here is an announcement made. Now this announcement will be seen by the students as soon as you publish the course. Now let's come to the main part of this video, which is course builder, how to build the course. So this is a part which you need every time you want to add something in your course. So firstly you need to click on this add new topic, and you can give some topic like for mathematics I will choose, like I had one, so I just open that figure that I just put here. So suppose my first topic is reflexive, symmetric and transactive, then I will just put that here and click on add topic. So topic is just a section in which you can add lessons and quizzes. And lessons, for adding the lessons you just need to click on plus lesson button here, and then give a title to your lesson, like this is the first lecture and it will be on relation. So I can add like intro to relation. So this is my first lesson. Now here I add all the text that I want to add. Like here I can add text and medias, so you can add different kind of medias and text. Just upload all those files here and you can select them. For the demo purpose I just select some files to show you how it works. So suppose I want to provide a PDF and one document, suppose this and this. So I will just open this and these will uploaded here. Now I just insert into the post. So this is how I insert these files in the post here, and if I want to add some text then I can add here like intro to relation, and then I can just put some more points here. Okay, so this is like the main content which will be shown on the lecture. Then you can upload a feature image. It is not so important. If you want to skip, you can skip the feature image because it will never show anywhere. So that's all upon you. If you want to add a video in the lecture and that is the main part of your lecture, then select video source and then you can select different sources. Like if you want to add a YouTube video, Vimeo video, or you can add an external URL of the video, then you can add them. Or if you want to upload a video, then you can also upload by clicking on add media and uploading the video. So for this video I will just for this lecture I will just use YouTube video, and I have a URL here. So I just copy the URL for you and paste it here. Now the video that you add here will never be copied or can be downloaded anyway by the student, so it is completely secure. What all you need is you need to upload the video on YouTube with unlisted parameters, so it will, so that no one can install your video. Once you're done with the lecture, you just need to click on update lesson, and that's it, your lesson is updated. Now let's come to the quizzes. So click on plus quizzes and you will see this bar. Now you can type your quiz title here, like this is a test 1, then click on save and next. Then here you add the questions. So click on add question. Here you add the question that you want to ask. So let me ask a simple question to the students, which is square is round. So I will choose a true and false type question. You can choose different types here: single choice, multiple choice, open-ended, and all. So for this question I use true and false. Now if you tick this answer required, then the student need to answer it to go to the next question. If you uncheck it, they will just submit their submit their quiz without submitting this answer. If you randomize this, then these quizzes will appear in random fashion, like if you add 1 2 3 4 5, then for some students it will appear 5 4 1 2 3, for someone it will appear 1 2 4 6 5. So it will appear in the random fashion. I will recommend you to use randomize, so it will reduce the cheating part of it. Now you can add some points here, like 10 points or 4 points or whatever points you want to give per quiz. So you can add the marks here. You can choose to display points to the students, or you can hide them. So for this video sake I will just hide it. Now description is optional and there is no need to add description. Okay, now here are the options that you can add if you want to, but I don't think there is a need of option here, so you can just remove these. Firstly save this, and then you can also delete the option from here. So here is a one option in which answer is true. Now save and continue. Now you can add the second question to it. Now the question will be like, how many sides do a square have? Now we can choose different, like single choice question, and then let's make it also 10 mark question, and then answer title. Now here you add different answers. So first answer is 4, then I will save the answer, then I add another option which is 3, and then save the answer, and then add another option which says 10 sides, and then save the answer, and then add one more last which says it has 2 sides, and then I just save the answer. And now I choose the correct answer here, and then save and continue. Now in this way you can add as many questions as you want in your particular quiz. So one more last, like rectangle is always a square. Now it is also true false type question, and I just need to add an option. Now answer is true here, and then I will save answer, and then click on save and continue. Now in this way I add the 3 questions. You can add as much as you want, and then click on next. Now here if you want to set a time, then you can set like it is 10 minutes for these I set, and then if you want to hide this quiz time, then you can hide, or if you want to show them to the people, then it will decrease automatically, like 10, then 9 minutes 59 seconds, and so on. Now here you can add attempts, like how many times the student can give the quizzes. It is recommended to put it on 1 for most cases. Now here you can set the passing grades in percentage and maximum question allowed to answer. So this is if you have, like suppose 100 question in a quizzes, then every student will get 10 questions and in the random fashion. So someone will get 98 99 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this, they will get 10 questions out of those 100, and everyone get different kind of questions. So if you want to give 10 questions, if you add 100 and just want that everyone get 10 questions, then you can choose 10 here. Otherwise you just skip it and then click on save. That's it. Now your quizzes are done. You just need to close it, and this is how the structure looks like. Now here is your main section, and in which you can add different lessons and quizzes. Okay, so now if I want to add more topics, then I can. So just I quickly add one more topic here. So I will add a topic and then click add topic. Let me add more topics fastly so that you can see it how it looks. The 3D vector is the name of the topic, and like I add another topic. So this is how you can add all topics, and then in the topics you can add lessons. In the topic you can add lessons, 10 lessons and one quiz test, or whatever way you want to. So that's it. Now once you're done with adding the courses and like the lessons and the quizzes, you just need to save this course so that your whole data will be saved on the server. Or if you like want to publish it on the website, you just need to click on publish course. You can click here and also here. Once you publish the course, it will be live on the website. There is no need to complete the whole course in the one go. You just add the topic initially, and then you can just add different lessons one by one. Like now I published the course. Now I can preview it. Here is our course of mathematics class 12. So this is how the course looks like in the front end. Now if the person click on take this course, he need to pay the 7,000 rupees and he will be added to your course list. So that's it for this lecture. I hope you get how to add courses and do all those things. So thanks for watching.